It's the battle of the sexes. Aye, sir. The he said, she said syndrome has driven a wedge between us, especially in that book called Leviticus. Think about it. Women go through their monthly menstrual cycle. But despite the taboos, it's nothing that a good shower cannot take care of, or the good old Carbolic soap. So, while some men consider a woman unclean during her monthly cycle and choose to cook their own food, there are some exceptions. That man who loves her unconditionally as she cooks for him and mixes some nice sugar and water. And then there is tradition. Some men and women believe men's and women's clothes should not be washed in the same bath pan, even with the invention of the washing machine. What a sinting! A Satideh morning runnings. Come make we talk.